welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, such an exciting video. So I think 2 videos ago I explained that I did end up returning my Chanel handbag to Fashionphile, and we all know why. If you haven't seen the video, I'll link it up here so you can go ahead and check. But anyway, I was basically still on the Fashionphile website and searching, and you know, I mean, I was not in any particular rush, you know. I knew what I wanted, okay? Let's just put it this way. I end up spotting a bag, a handbag that I originally wanted like 3 years ago. I think that's when the handbag came out, or maybe even sooner. But the reason I didn't buy it because it was just discontinued. It was just no longer available, and I wanted in the particular size and in the particular color of the bag, as well as the hardware. So as you know, like 3 years ago, I was searching for it like nearly on the weekly basis on the Fashionphile website, and it was just nowhere to be found. And of course, I wanted excellent condition. I wouldn't want to buy a bag that is just in a good or fair condition, you know. So anyway, long story short, I just came across this, you guys. Oh my god, I am so excited. So this is the original wishlist handbag from 3 years ago, and if you have been watching me for a while, I did mention it a couple of times on my channel that this is the bag I want, but then I really didn't mention it anymore because I knew it's discontinued, the size is discontinued, and it's just not gonna, I'm just not gonna have it. So let me just do the honors and unbox this. Obviously it's pre-owned, it's from Fashionphile, and I put this in this beautiful box so we can have like a real experience. It came with the dust bag and the authenticity card, and I know maybe it's a little cheesy, but this box is from my other handbag that I purchased from Dior. But anyway, let me show you guys what I've got. So like I mentioned, the handbag came with the dust bag and the authenticity card. And you guys, this is just something that literally I didn't think I was gonna ever find it, and I did. So here it is. This is Diorama in this beautiful, oh my god, it's like a dusty kind of gray color, with the silver hardware in a size large. Yes, I know the dioramas are still quite popular, and I know they are available to buy, but they are all in the small size or medium size, whatever they call it, which is like about, I think, 9 inches, which is equivalent to medium, you know, Chanel bag, or smaller Chanel boy bag. And I was after the large size, which is like 11 inches. I just didn't want to buy a small, you know, diorama or the medium diorama. It just did not sit well on me. So yes, that's why I mentioned so many times that hopefully I'm gonna end up buying a Chanel boy bag, but this was also the color that I wanted on Chanel, which was the gray with the silver hardware, which is impossible to find. And you know, 3 years ago when I went to the Dior boutique, I even forgot where was it, but I did try this size diorama, but they only had it in black. And basically the gentleman told me that those bags are being discontinued, they're only gonna make the medium size. So you know, as much as they love it, I didn't want to buy another black bag because I saw this on the lady in this particular color combination, and I saw this, you know, on the pictures on the Pinterest, and this is the bag I wanted. So it's been 3 years, you guys. I have been wanting it and waiting for it, and like I said, I didn't mention many times after it because I knew it was pretty much impossible to find, but I have it. And I am just so thrilled. It's obviously in the condition was excellent, so I purchased it It looks basically brand new. So if you're not familiar with the diorama, it's kind of look like a boy bag from, you know, Chanel. Has a very kind of a similar chain situation, and by the way, the chain is beautiful. It's not super heavy, but it's not also super light. And again, you can just double up, you know, as a traditional boy bag, or I can even wear it crossbody if I just do this. So oh my god, what a dream. So you guys, obviously has a silver, this bag has a silver hardware, exactly what I wanted, and this very kind of unique, you know, stitching that you can see, and I think overall is quite similar to, you know, Chanel boy bag, as I mentioned. And this is the back of the handbag. There we go. I'm not sure if you can tell, but it says Dior right in here, and it's really, really beautiful. The stitching, you know, those little, this kind of looks like a book. I don't know if this, I heard somewhere they were talking about this design looking kind of like a, you know, like a book, literally. And this is the front, and look at the hardware. How beautiful is this? It says Dior right in there. I'm not sure if the camera will pick it up, but on the top in here it says Dior as well, and it's just stunning. So the top constructions here is a little bit different. You know, this one has like those two loops, and the, you know, Chanel boy bag has those little attachment here on the side. But yeah, the rest of it, I think it's quite, you know, quite similar. The whole kind of an idea, you know, this kind of, yeah, it's even like the closure. See, this front flap is pretty large. So there we go. This is how it looks inside. Obviously it says Christian Dior Paris right there, and it's lined with this, you know, it's not a leather, it's just like a textile kind of a material. Really, really nice. There is a big slip pocket right here up front. So if you have like a card holder or something, you can put it in here, or even cell phone. Then obviously there's plenty of room here inside, and there's one zipper pocket here as well. And like I mentioned, it came with some documents. So it says it's a authenticity card. So let me show you guys how it looks like, because I didn't even know myself. So yeah, that's pretty much what my there's some numbers in here. My when I purchased my Promenade clutch, it came with the same thing. So I am super, super, super excited. That is pretty much my last handbag purchase of 2019, and oh my god, I just could, it's a Christmas gift. Like truly, this is for me a Christmas gift from me to me. I always do that. I always buy something myself. And yeah, I mean, this handbag is just so beautiful. And by the way, I put some of my stuff in here earlier, but I have my cosmetic Chanel cosmetic pouch in here. I just want to show you like how much room it has. It's pretty roomy, you know, you can put a lot of stuff in here. So obviously, you know, you can even put it this way. It will be good too, because I can push this down. There we go. See? So yeah, I mean, full-size wallet, anything basically would fit in. And I feel like the lock is pretty easy to, you know, close. You just have to kind of line up and it will just click right in. And yeah, how beautiful it is. All the shininess. So yeah, and I already tried it, you know, try it on me, and I put the rest of my stuff in a handbag, and I think it was just so beautiful, and I love it. And like I mentioned, I can even wear it crossbody. It sets on the highest, on the lowest setting here. Obviously it has a couple of, you know, adjustable holes, and I can wear it crossbody. I can wear it on my shoulder, and yeah. I am so excited. All right, let's make it official. I'm gonna cut it because I am obviously keeping it. So there we go. The tag is off. The handbag is mine. I am not returning it. I'm keeping it, and yeah, I'm super happy. You know, the beautiful thing about buying from Fashionphile, and I purchase many things from Fashionphile, and the beautiful thing is that you can save quite a bit of money, you know. And I really have nothing against buying pre-owned. You know, our style change, our, you know, ideas of what we love kind of change. We becoming more wiser and older, and you know, things that maybe we liked 3 years ago, 4 years ago doesn't work anymore, or we're still in love with those things. And I feel like having, you know, kind of a space like a fashion file and being able to buy and find things at much lower price is just amazing. So just on this handbag, if I will have to buy today brand new, I saved 50%. So it was still expensive, don't get me wrong, but I saved over 50% of the retail value. So, you know, yes, Chanel is more up, keeping, you know, the price higher, and same with the, you know, obviously the Hermes. Dior, maybe not so much. I feel when you buy brand new Dior, it's like buying brand new car. You know, as soon as you drive off the dealership, it loses its value. So, but nevertheless, I love Dior. I love their handbags, and I'm very, very happy that I was able to find it, you know, on Fashion File, and I trust them with all my heart, because when they say that something is in excellent condition, it's basically like new. That's their kind of description. Like I mentioned, I purchased so many handbags from them before, and whatever it was excellent condition, it was basically like new. So I really enjoy shopping with Fashion File. Not sponsored, that's just my thoughts. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about my new handbag, and if you own Diorama, let me know how do you like it. And I'm very much looking forward to use it. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. Click on the notification bell, and I'll talk to you soon.